Hi, I'm Jemel, but you can call me Jem. I'm 38 years old and a proud mom of two boys, and I'm based in Dasmariñas, Cavite, Philippines. I hold a bachelor degree in science nursing, and I became a registered nurse in 2007. I worked for over 10 years as a pediatric nurse in a clinical setting. And for the past 3 years, I've transitioned in a remote role as a virtual administrative assistant in a play school where I manage student files, support team, and ensuring everything runs smoothly behind the scene. I'm also a stroke survivor, and I've learned that determination is not just a mindset, but my strength. And I believe that disability is not just a limitation, but a different kind of ability, and it's shaped me into someone who is more focused, driven, and resilient. And I'm excited to bring this same energy into the team.